All right, everyone, welcome to the session of Kite. Today we have Asma Tiberkanin as our speaker. We will have a glimpse of Kite and their European cell therapy manufacturing site. So I'll give you the floor to you, Asma. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. Welcome. My name is Esma Tiberkanin, and as you just heard, I'm here to give you guys a glimpse of Kite, specifically the European cell therapy manufacturing site here in Hoofddorp. So I just want to introduce myself a little bit first. My name is Esma Tiberkanin. I'm a process engineer in manufacturing science and technology, and I studied biopharmaceutical sciences in Leiden. Actually, Kite was my very first job right out of university. I started out as a manufacturing operator in 2020 when Kite was very much still a startup. It was very fun. I feel like I could really, because everything was still developing, a lot of things were still uncertain, I could really utilize my scientific background and also have a very direct impact on every patient's life. I think that has definitely kept the job very interesting for me. And now I have gone into another department, manufacturing science and technology, as a process engineer. I do mostly development projects, process development projects, and process improvements in general. So that's a little bit about myself. A little bit about the mission in Kite. Kite's singular focus is cell therapy to treat and potentially cure cancer. Working at Kite means that you have a direct impact on the lives of individual patients. I noticed this a lot in the beginning when I was manufacturing operator. You would see the patient's name, the patient's date of birth, and we would work on individual lots together as a company. It gives a really big impact for people that have cancer, and it just creates this feeling of togetherness in the company. So we work together to make the patient's life a little bit better. Kite is 100% dedicated to the promise of cell therapy and has all critical functions vertically integrated and exclusively focused on this highly specialized treatment. I think because of this, Kite is really the place to be for young professionals. It was also the first company to have a commercialized cell therapy process for cancer. It makes it very dynamic. There's so many developments still going. There's developments in approval. There's developments very recently approved. It's really a beating heart, actually, of cell therapy. It's quite a nice place to be at, especially if you're young, you're very motivated. That was me in 2020. So a couple numbers about Kite. We have treated more than 17,000 patients in both clinical and commercial lots. We have 2 global commercial products on the market, which makes Kite actually the only one with 2 products on the market. We have 5 approved indications in CAR T cell therapy. We have more than 4,000 employees all over the world, and 25 plus countries with reimbursed products. So just a quick history of Kite as a pioneer in cell therapy. So in 2009, Kite was founded as a clinical stage biotech company. Kite entered into an agreement with the National Cancer Institute in 2012 to progress a human study of anti-CD19 CAR T cell therapy. In 2015, breakthrough therapy designation was granted in the US for Kite's first ever cell therapy. In 2017, Gilead acquired Kite. This was further supporting Gilead's overall oncology franchise, and Kite's first CAR T cell therapy approved in the USA, and a year later also in Europe. So Kite was actually the first one in 2017. In 2020, with Kite's second CAR T cell therapy approved, Kite became the first company to have approval for two CAR T cell therapies. And in 2023, Kite has reached more than 17,000 patients through clinical trials and its marketed products, and it's still continuing to reach more patients now. I also wanted to tell a little bit about the uses of cell therapy and how we actually produce our product. So the first step is to collect a patient's white blood cells. We process these white blood cells by transporting these bags of blood actually to the manufacturing site. So, for example, here in Hoofddorp, this is what we do. We isolate and activate the T cells. After that, we engineer the T cells with a CAR gene so that they are able to target cancer cells. We grow and expand the number of T cells. We do this for dosage and patient efficacy, and then we send that same bag back to the patient, and we infuse the patient with the engineered T cells. So it's really about harnessing the patient's own immune system to fight the disease. And I think this is what makes Kite so unique. Each treatment is specific to the individual patient. So every single lot we produce has a direct impact on someone. And I think, in my opinion, that is a very impactful thing to do every single day. I just wanted to also show a quick overview of all the sites for Kite in the world. So you can see we started out in America, and we came to Amsterdam, or well, Hoofddorp, and there is also a location in Shanghai. I also wanted to go in slightly deeper on understanding the CAR T-cell technology. So it's a type of immunotherapy that's harnessing the power of a patient's own immune system. T-cells are a type of cell that are very important for a patient's immune system, but for cancer, sometimes T-cells cannot recognize the cancer cells. Basically, what we do is we engineer these T cells to have a antigen receptor that will be able to recognize cancer cells and also fight cancer cells. So it's really using the patient's own immune system in order to fight cancer. So Amsterdam is home to one of Kite's 3 T-cell manufacturing facilities. The opening of the facility in Amsterdam, or well, Hoofddorp, really placed Kite at a central place in Europe. So this way, we mostly do European lots. We treat mostly European patients, but we also treat patients in the Middle East, for example, Saudi Arabia. And there is a small video here, just to give you guys a glimpse on what it actually looks like. So that was a small impression of our manufacturing site in Hoofddorp. Um, I also want to point out a couple facts and figures about the manufacturing facility here in Hoofddorp. So there's more than 50 nationalities that are working here. Uh, it creates a very interesting work environment because there's so many different cultures, there's so many different people from different countries. There's been a lot of cases where we have meetings with over 10 people and nobody is from the same country. Because of that, we also mostly speak English on site. It's also very inclusive. I also noticed in the time that I've been here that Kite culture really promotes inclusivity actively. Yeah, it's a very fun place to be. I've made a lot of different friends from a lot of different countries, a lot of different cultures. Yeah, really the place to be. So just to wrap it all up, at Kite, it's about passion, focus, but also fun. It's a great organization to start your career. There's a lot of development options for process development. It's a growing company with many career options, but also, for example, in compliance and quality and technology transfer. We're also a very inclusive company. So, yeah, I hope you guys consider coming here. So if you want to be part of our team, you can visit our online booth, and we are very looking forward to meet you. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you, Asma. This was a great presentation. We do have a curious audience, so I have to have some questions in the Q&A part. So let's start with the most popular question. Is there possibilities to do internships or work already just after finishing your bachelor's?
Yes, there's possibilities for both. There's internships for a lot of different positions, but there's also open positions for like real jobs, jobs entry level. Yeah.
All right, thank you. Another question that a lot of people are curious about is, do you have to have immunology background to work in the manufacturing process?
Immunology, not per se, but we are looking for cell culturing background. But if you have any type of background, I really motivate, yeah, life sciences. I really motivate you to just, come by our booth, have a chat. I'm sure we can figure something out.
All right, great. And does Kite have remote jobs?
There are remote jobs. I don't know by heart, but there are remote jobs. Working remotely is definitely a possibility.
And one more question is about for what education levels jobs are offered?
There's different types of education levels, jobs offered. There's all from MBO level also to university level. So there's ample opportunity here. Yeah, I
All
hope that
right.
answers your question.
And we can also maybe look at the recruitment process, like how does it look and what are the steps?
The recruitment process?
Yes.
So you will apply for a job first, then you will speak to HR for some general questions. And then after that, it depends on the job that you are applying for. We have multiple interview, how do you call it, stages. Yeah. So for some, you have a little bit more than others. But after those interview stages, you will hear from HR whether or not you will get a job offer.
Great, thank you. Another attendee asked where Kite is located, but you already mentioned that it's Hoofddorp and there are multiple locations in Europe and in the US, as well as Asia. Are there any job openings in the Netherlands currently?
Yes, there are quite a couple, I think, in manufacturing, in QC, quality in general. Yeah, there's a lot of opportunity here.
Okay, maybe we can do one last question. Is it
Yeah.
possible to apply for an internship if you already have a PhD but aim to gain additional experience?
Um, I think for PhD, it might be better to look for other possibilities. Um, I think it would be more fitting for something else, but again, come by our booth and we can talk about it and discuss it.
All right. Then thank you very much for your time. This was a really great presentation. If you, for our attendees, if you have more questions for Kite, please do visit them at their booth. And yeah, with this, I'd like to conclude this session. And thank you again very much, Asmay, for your time. And have a great day. And then we'll see you in the afternoon with the other sessions.
Perfect. Thank you so much for having me.